Hello, everyone. I'm Alan. I'm the host for Your Market, Your Money. I'm also the owner. What we're going to be looking at today is some charts. Uh, Tomorrow's election day, and we're going to be looking at specifically futures charts. A little bit about me. I'm a professional day trader. I do day trading. I also teach it. Um, okay, let's just kind of get right to it because I really don't want to bore you with a whole bunch of stuff and try to get right to the point here. Okay, what you're looking at on this screen right now is the broker that I use, the futures broker that I use, uh, Tradovate. That's the name of the broker that I use. Let me show you real quick here. Okay, there they are. Yeah, that's the broker that I use. And on Trustpilot, they have like a 4.7, 4.8 star rating. They're almost a 5 star, almost have a 5 star rating on Trustpilot. I really like them. I've been with them for, I don't know, maybe a month, 2 months, but they're really good. And I'm going to show you uh, just a few of the features that I like on them. I won't try to get into too much technical stuff here. Uh, this is the AbleSys Corporation. They're the ones that use or Able Trend 7. We're not going to be going over any Able Trend charts right now. This is just a quick video on the before election day as far as we'll take a look at the charts here. Okay, this is the CME group. This is the futures. Anything you want to know about futures, you go to the CME group and you can click on any of these and they'll tell you about their about those markets. Okay, and this one here is Investopedia. This is an excellent resource site. Anything to do with finance, you can look it up. This is a search right here. If you just type that in and you can look for anything, day trading, investing for beginners, anything you want to know, it's really good. So, okay, so let's go back to the broker that I'm using. This is, like I said, this is Tradovate. This is probably one of the best futures broker that I've come across in a real long time. Okay, all right, let's take a look here. Okay, all right, this is the main screen for Tradovate. I'm going to show you real quick why I like them. If you can see this fairly clearly, which I think you can, if you look at this, if you look at the whole thing, you notice how big these numbers are? Here, like where my pointer's going. See how everything is just really, it's really big and it really stands out at you. You can really, it's really easy to see these numbers, and that's why I like it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at two futures contracts. We're going to look at the NQ first. We're going to look at the NQ first, and if you notice, you can tell what contract this is. If you look at my pointer, I'm going to go up here. It's going to say NQZ0. NQ stands for the E-mini NASDAQ. The Z and O is the expiration month, which I believe is in December. This right here this is on a 1 minute time frame, and I'm not going to go into how to use this. I just want to show what this particular market shows before the election day. So the market in New York opens at 9:30. You can see here we get a nice little breakout, but like I said, I'm not going to go over any specifics here. I just want to look at the trend pattern. That's what I'm looking at. And this trend pattern looks to be fairly good, fairly active. You see it kind of came out of the gate right here. And let's take another, I'm just going to kind of go slow here so you can take a look at it. Okay, this is about from 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock on. Pretty good trends. A nice trend right here from here to here. Here to here. From here to here. If you click on this little crosshair button, it'll bring up, the crosshairs. This is showing at 12:30 up till about 13:20. That's 50 minute. That's about a 50-minute trade. And you can just use the crosshairs and you can just see the time frames on here. Like I said, I really like this trading platform. It's very easy to use, but right now I'm not going to go into how to use it. If you want to, you can go to their website, download the demo. They give you a free demo with real-time data for, I believe, 2 weeks, and then they give you the option to sign up with them. And signing up with them is pretty easy. Okay, so this is the ES. This is the NQ, this is the ES right here. This is probably one of the most popular futures contracts right now that a lot of day traders like to use, including myself. Okay, so we got 9:30 here. Okay, we got a nice trend right here at 9:45. Coming up to about 10:01, that's about 15 minutes. From here to here, and then again from here, actually to about right there. A little bit of sideways movement. Small trend here, small uptrend. Small uptrend, very small uptrend. So you can see you got a trend here, trend down here. Let's just scoot it over here. There we go. Okay, market closes at 4 o'clock, which is 1600 hours, which is right here. That's where the market closes right there. But you can see that we got quite a bit of volatility. In other words, the market's moving really well here. So, like I said, this is the E-mini S&P, and it's one of the most popular. Like I said, it's one of the most popular contracts for day trading. Okay, so we got that. Here's the NQ again. NQ looks pretty good, so okay, so that's what we got. I just wanted to show that to you. Like I said, I'll probably do another video on probably how to use this. I'll make a playlist for using this program. It's not hard, it's actually fairly easy. But it is probably one of the best top 5 future brokers out there that I've come across. And I found them about a month and a half to about 2 months ago. But like I said, everything's big and it stands right out at you like these numbers. And that's what I really like. This is really easy to see. And when you're actually in a live trade, that's very important. You got to have really good feedback. Okay, so what we're going to do, let's close this down just for a second. Okay, like I said, this is the website that has that program. You can look it over and read about it and see what they offer and all that good stuff. Like I said, this is the CME group. This is the futures exchange. Anything you want to know about those contracts that I was talking about, like the E-mini S&P 500, like click right there on that. It'll tell you just about anything you want to know about that particular contract. Yeah, my laptop's a little slow, so kind of bear with me here. Welcome to E-mini S&P 500 futures. It'll tell you what it is. They are like what I call, like, when it comes to futures contracts, they are like the Bible for learning anything that you want to know about them. Okay, same goes for any futures, any other futures contracts. Now, CME Group is strictly futures. It is not, they do not, it has nothing to do with the stock market. It's totally separate. Like I said, Investopedia, this is a good resource site for anything to do with finances. Could be for day trading, could be for investing, could be for whatever. I've known about them for probably close to 10 years. Here is the AbleSys website. Like I said, that has, they put out the AbleTrend program. Now what I'm going to do is on my next video or on a separate video, what I'm going to be doing is I haven't recorded a video in a long time. I've had my YouTube channel for about a year. I'm just now getting back into it, so you have to kind of excuse me a little bit here. I'm still customizing it too. So anyway, the reason that I put this particular the Your Market, Your Money YouTube site up is because when I get ready to do my live streams, we're going to be doing some day trading using Tradovate here, and we're also going to be using the AbleTrend charts. We're going to be using those together. You'll see how those two come together. So I think it's going to be really interesting to see that. And I think you're going to really like it. So just check back. I knew I'm probably going as of right now, I'm only going to probably do about maybe 2, maybe 3 videos a week. I don't know yet. Like I said, I'm just now getting back into getting into my YouTube channel. So give me a thumbs up if you like this. If you go to my YouTube channel, click on where it says About on the far right. You'll see I got some links in there for the Abelsys Corporation, the CME Group, Trinivate, and Investopedia. Those will take you right to their sites. And I'll probably put a few more links in a little bit later on. But thanks for dropping by and watching this short video. And we'll see you probably back here in a couple of days. All right, have a good night.